is he?
What's good, everybody? We back with another video with my special guest. Where you at? Where you at?
Here.
Look, my special guest. We got.
At the high, it's a surprise when I go right there.
Oh, really? Okay, it's a surprise. I got Shell with me today. Tina won't go with mommy, so Tina with mommy. We pulled up at Joe Buddy Racing. So we got to see what we got going on today. What we just did so far, we done went and got cookies.
And then
We talked to somebody, didn't we? Shout out to Tommy. She was like, I'm hot. Shout out to Tommy, man. Tommy Ellison, man. It's OG down this way. It's Kendra calling now. So I guess I'm finna cut this intro short in a minute. But like I said, shout out to Tommy, man. I talked to him, so we pulled up. Y'all, I gotta get some of his cars on the vlog. I got to get some of his cars on the vlog. When I say this man actually is a builder. Oh, copyright. Woo! But when I say this man is a real builder, like he got some top-notch stuff. So we might have that coming for y'all one day. But yeah, we about to get in here to Joe Buddy Racing, see what Unc got going on. It's just a general vlog, general day. Try to give y'all a break from the box. I've been putting the work in, but I got a video coming after this one. So y'all just stay tuned. We finna get in the shop. We gonna work on some stuff? Huh?
yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, we gonna see y'all. Stay tuned.
Bring it up.
Look, y'all got Shell on the bike. Shell want Look, you got music. Nah, we gonna get copyright though.
Oh yeah, right.
We were gonna turn the music on, y'all. We'll get copyright. Shell a bike rider for today. Shell, what we gonna drive over here today? Huh? This one?
You gotta wait till Tim get back.
Yeah. Tim had to take you on that.
Yeah.
Huh. Dad ain't fooling with this.
Don't worry about this.
Ain't fooling no bike.
Ride. It's just that I don't know if I need to ride.
Right. Look at this. Look.
You not hear me calling?
Look. What you got going on, homeboy? What you got going on?
Hey man. You know it's a tiger.
That Ray car. Look, y'all go to the comments of his video. I told him he got 1,000 feet car, cause that's he go 1,000 feet at a time. Man, and that's it.
Hey, you know what it is, on
What?
that other might call about already. He didn't want to bring that cut.
Oh, he talking about AMG Marco.
Yeah.
He need action.
He said he could get action.
Look, he got the whole track over here.
Messed up right now, man.
Oh.
Old school small block versus LS power.
The Gen 1, where it's at?
Gen 1 small block power.
Okay, I'm kind of with that.
Look, we like the old school small block. Look, we like old school motors over here, man. Everybody got LS and stuff, so. But hey, it's just all fun at the end of the day and all that. But y'all tell it, go to the comments of his video till he got a race car.
Hey, man, y'all get all me, man.
All right, look, do what we got going on, y'all.
Hey, man, do you want to buy a carburetor? You want your car to go fast, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got you right here. Put this on there.
Look at that. That's what you need. That's a race car.
Hey man,
He got a race car.
You want to go fast or not?
No, put that back up there, man. He got a whole nother motor for that right there.
Yeah, for real.
Ain't no way.
For real.
My bad. I thought you had
Look.
a monster like I got over there. I got a monster.
Hey, man. Ain't nothing but street cars in here.
You better track your car with brake, then we're going to put on your car.
That's it. We're going to put that 1050 on there. That 1050 on there, yeah. Real quick.
The neck pad, you'll know.
Real quick.
That thing goes click.
Oh, man. Oh, what the update on the Mustang? What we got?
Oh, Mustang, it'll fall. It's ready. Hey. I think the owner's scared. For me to take
No.
you know what's going to happen if I take it out of there.
I mean, I told him he can take it out there, test it out, do what he got to do. Anybody want some action?
Car gone.
There it
He in
is.
the same class though. Street car.
Yeah, street car. More definitely.
No race car.
He drove that car all the way down here, y'all.
Over here.
Y'all, hey, he been on the vlog before. He drove it all the way down here, so
Right.
it's street car certified. Unlike Look crazy right here though. They got a race car, man. I'm gonna start saying that. Cause they gonna believe.
Street car, okay? I'm with you. You and I got street car.
I know where that was going. I knew he was finna hit you with that. I already knew it. Alright, y'all. I just got back to the house. And look at these jokers out here. Wife out here playing in the water. Out here playing, thinks she working.
Seven washing.
Got these two in the way. Got these in the way.
I'll show you.
That's I heard earlier. What you doing? You washing the car?
Shoot
Or
it.
you in the way?
Shoot it.
They in the way. Wife out here playing too. Think she her little vehicle clean. And I said I just pulled up. But yeah, man, y'all see Dolo. Like I said, it's just a little general vlog, man. It wasn't nothing going on. It's just a pretty day. I want to give y'all something, man. Put the family in the vlog a little bit. And look at this, man. I just sprayed this thing off, man. It pollen, springtime, it bad here in Georgia, man. That pollen count be getting high. But like I said, by now y'all saw the last video. That squat is serious on that car, man. Like, that's how I wanted to sit. That's how I wanted that thing to sit, man. So I can't wait. The next video probably gonna be me trying to well, now I don't know, I'm gonna test fit them thing, but I'm pretty sure I know how it's gonna sit on the 8s. It probably gonna sit like Big Meats was sitting on the 8s, and y'all saw when I put them on Big Meats car. Now this car has the same suspension setup as Big Meats, except Big Meats had air shocks on it still, so it's gonna tuck them 28s. I know that. We got enough inner fender, all of that stuff. And I'm probably going to take the tires off. I'm gonna be doing that and painting the inner fenders. I meant to do it when I had them off. So I'm gonna be spray painting on the there and back there, paint that all black so it'd be nice. And I probably gonna hit the frame, the part of the frame that actually show. I'm gonna spray paint that black too. I ain't worried about on the there car. Ain't nobody gonna be laying on the ground looking at the back, laying on the ground on the car looking, so I don't care about that. But the parts you're gonna be able to see gonna be black. So I think I'm gonna do that. Little detail stuff, quick stuff like that, man. It'll make all the difference. So like I said, I think I'm gonna get up in here. Like that frame right there, how you can look through there. Let me see, brighten it up. How you can look through there and see the frame, and you know my wheels gonna have the spokes and stuff. I'm gonna paint all that black. The Aeon, well, I'm probably gonna change the Aeons, get new. But all this inner fender right here, everything gonna be black. When I say that little stuff like that gonna make all the difference, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see how much difference that make. By doing little stuff like that, it gonna make a big difference. So that's what I'm gonna have coming along. I got another big order of parts coming. I gotta get the AutoZone to pick them up. We gonna finish up the AC system, cause we gotta put the new condenser and the new accumulator. So we gotta put new accumulator, new condenser, new AC pressure switch, all of that. I'm gonna do the gas tank straps new because I don't like how that green looking and stuff. It stand out like a sore thumb now. So I'm gonna be taking the straps off and replacing them, doing them new. I'm gonna go ahead and spray, get a can of clear coat, and I'm gonna clear the underside of the gas tank so it'll stay shiny like that and it won't be so quick to rust. So I got all that coming, man. More content. And like I said, I got a plan for Big Meats now. I'm not gonna reveal the world. I got a temporary plan for Big Meats, but the world gonna be shocked. I ain't gonna reveal that yet. Hopefully John Jones. Somebody asked about John Jones. Hopefully John Jones be back within the next 2 weeks. I'm hoping, man. Cause y'all see days like this, man, it make me depressed. I get depressed, man. Days like this, man, everybody out riding, man. You hear old school, all the old cars out, folks on the motorcycles and all of that. T-tops out, and man, they ain't got nothing. Dolo ain't got no oil pressure. John Jones is down right now, so I don't know, man. We're gonna get it all together though. So hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't no excitement, wasn't no tie spinning and all that, but it's just something, man. I want to give y'all some of my family sometime. Michelle be wanting to be in the videos and stuff, so you know, that's it. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We're gonna be back turning wrenches. I tried to give y'all a break from the box car. I've been hitting y'all back to back. I literally have been working on this car every day since I got it back to the house. So we're gonna be back at it after this one. So y'all stay tuned. I'm out.